This is the Porcelain teacup and saucer set, an elegant 7-piece gift set designed for tea lovers and special occasions. The set includes a beautifully crafted porcelain teacup and matching saucer with a delicate rose lace cutout design, along with 2 gold-tone rose spoons and English black tea to complete the experience. Everything comes neatly packaged in a decorative gift box, making it ready to give without any extra wrapping. I really like the elegant details, from the floral-inspired design to the gold-tone accents that add a classic, sophisticated touch. Whether you're enjoying a quiet afternoon tea, entertaining guests, or creating a relaxing tea break, this set brings a charming presentation to every cup. It's also a thoughtful gift for Mother's Day, birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, or any special occasion for moms, friends, family members, or anyone who enjoys tea and beautiful tableware. If you're looking for a stylish porcelain teacup gift set with elegant accessories and gift-ready packaging, this 7-piece tea set is a beautiful choice for tea lovers and memorable gift-giving.